Hi YouTube. Today I just want to show you a little special, a little favorite of mine. I think it's from the Humvee military vehicle from the US Army. The Humvee, I think it's called Max 4 Survival Axe. It comes with a shovel, which is it's all dirty and used because I like it so much. A rake. This is the tool bag and the pins it's used for. I'll show you later. So these are spikes. So there are some additional pins. Like a pick spike, like a little broader chisel. Let me get you here. This hasn't been out for a long time. See? These are all accessories. So this, and this. So this is the Multitool. It's an axe. And the way this works is they go in to mount at this rectangle. So I'll show you. The Max multi-purpose axe says it right here. One of the best multi-tools on the market, in my opinion. I really use it. You see how dirty it is, and we're not like cleaning it or we rough clean it, but not keep it in like a shape for a museum. You know what I mean? A nice leather sheath. I ground it with a Tormek. It's razor sharp. It's a pretty long handle, fiberglass handle, but it's really good in the hands, and it doesn't bounce around much, and you don't have that hard feedback if you hit something hard. So let me show you. See that pin that goes in right there, and then you save it with a hairpin or whatever called splint. We call it splint in Germany. So now you have a shovel. See that? Now you have a shovel with a long handle where you really can dig in. There's my left foot because I'm filming with the right hand now, but you know what I mean, right? And a long handle, and you really can pry, and this is a very solid construction for a makeshift shovel, yeah, I have to say. But it's very nice. I like it very much. Preferably to shovel with the blade guard on the axe, so you won't hurt yourself. But it's a very nice concept. And the same goes. I might change it for that little rake or that hoe. So no fun to be made here, right? No hoe jokes. Pull it off. And it's super easy disassemble, like give it a couple shakes, it falls out automatically, right? Look how awesome this is. And this is really firm. You know, you can pry on. This is all the surface area where the Forrest gets delivered into the axe head. You really can pry on that. The only thing I didn't like, it had a big gape here. I have actually another one, let me show you, where I haven't glued it out. This is a different era production. Where you can see I just removed the old leather sheet. This sheet is not in as a good condition, and this stamped on Max Company Forrest tool. You can see they inserted a rubber in the gape. I used glue, but it's already getting loose, so I think it should have a little gape there. I don't know. If you know something about that gape and that foam insert from this one, or the gape, what's about this one, please comment in the comment section. I really like to know what's going on there and why they made it that way. So this is the same setup, even the same length, but lighter head. See, there you can see it. This is really an awesome multifunctional tool, especially working in the woods, like in my hunting club when we move some stuff and nobody wants to carry a shovel around in a pickup, because long shovels with long handles or spades, you just have to throw in your axe. I show you how compact it is when it's packed together. So now I lost the pin. It's basically the tools go in the bag, and the bag goes with the slings on the axe handle. And that's it, that's your setup. There comes the blade guard on, and that's it, and ready. Whoa. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see. That's the setup basically. The blade guard goes on the axe, and that's how it goes in the car. It's awesome. So, let me know what you think. Please give the video a like if you like it, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.